This video is sponsored by Squarespace. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well and staying calm and staying home if possible. I haven't posted in a little bit just because I've obviously been moving and then just trying to stay calm myself. But with that being said, I'm hoping that my videos can continue to be just a nice little escape for you wherever you are, and just something fun to watch. I'm definitely using YouTube as an escape mechanism at the moment. With all that being said, I'm excited to share this video with you today. I actually tried to film it the first day that we moved in here, but it was raining so hard. So I'm hoping that this take will be a lot better, but I am gonna use the B-roll footage, like the footage of me in the outfits from that day. So just in case you're wondering why it looks a little different, it's because I don't want to have to film the whole video again. But basically, when we moved, I wanted to do something for myself that sort of took a little bit of pressure off of me. Obviously, moving is super stressful, and this was sort of at the beginning of the COVID news happening. It wasn't the way it is now, but you know, it was stressful altogether, everything. And so I wanted to do something for myself that would make it a little easier for me. And for me, that meant putting together a little travel capsule wardrobe. And obviously with everything happening in the world right now, like that seems so silly. But, you know, at the end of last month, it was something that really helped me to just take one thing off the list of things that I needed to remember. And it just ensured that I had clothes that I liked and outfits that would mix and match easily for me as I was at the end of packing and as we moved and like the first couple of days that we were in our new place. I just wanted to share with you the pieces that I chose and sort of how I mixed and matched them together. The weather has been kind of weird. Before we moved, it was actually really warm, and then as we moved, it's just been raining. I think it's gonna start raining right now too. So I do have a pair of shorts in here, but for the most part, I live in Southern California, so it's like pretty moderate weather. Here's what I brought in my capsule wardrobe. So for moving day, I wanted something that was just super simple and easy, and I went with this vintage Journey shirt that I got from the flea market. I like it because it also has like print on the back that's kind of fun. And then I paired that with these pants that I actually got on Poshmark. They're Madewell, but I like to shop for them on Poshmark so that I'm not supporting the fast fashion industry. And these are just a pair of high-rise pants. I hesitate to call them jeans because they're so stretchy. They're basically like leggings, but I really love the sort of like kick crop flared sort of design. They're super comfortable, and I think they're really flattering for my shape, or they'd be flattering for a lot of different shapes. But so that was the outfit that I wore on moving day, and then the rest of my pieces fit into this little packing cube. This is from Ten Tree. I'm actually doing a collaboration with them hopefully in April, and so I was sent this as part of that collaboration, but it was super handy to use for this move also. So I like it because everything fit in here. The next thing that I included in my little travel capsule wardrobe was this sweater, and I've worn it so often. I like that it has a cropped fit. I feel like it's really flattering, and obviously black is a color that I wear a lot, and it was just so cozy. I don't know if you guys can hear the ambulance or not. I'm sorry if you can. Do you think they could? This is our new life, so get used to it, okay, people? But anyway, that sweater is really nice because I can wear it with any of the bottoms in this little capsule, and that's sort of how I do these little travel capsules. I love doing this when I do travel, but this was sort of different. It was just for moving, so that I didn't have to worry about finding things when they were packed away. I did include one pair of shorts, which again is kind of weird. I know it's technically spring now, but it's still cold in many parts of the world. But these are my favorite shorts. I got them last summer, again from Poshmark. The brand is called A Gold or A Goldie. And I think they actually recently did a collaboration with a more vert Amorpher, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's an ethical fashion line, and they used organic cotton in the pieces that they made in that collaboration. And I'd be interested to try them because these are such great quality. They're definitely like a thick denim, but I just love, love, love the high rise on them. A top that I really like wearing with those shorts is this one. Oh my gosh, it's so, it needs to be ironed. This is a top from Outerknown, another sustainable fashion brand. I actually picked this up. They were having a like winter clearance sale. I really love the shape of this top. It's very boxy, as you can see. It's made out of organic cotton. I believe in a fair trade certified factory. So much of my clothing is from Outerknown now. This, I bought this too during that sale. It's a little dress, but I'm actually wearing sweatpants under it right now because I'm just filming, but I really like the sleeves on it. But anyway, this is a great company, and I do really love the boxy shape of this top. I feel like it works so well just tucked into really high-rise jeans, which is my usual go-to look. And so I wanted to include this because I feel like I could wear this in warm weather and cool weather because it is pretty light. It's just cotton. Okay, these are the last pair of pants that I included in my capsule. Where did I buy these? ThredUP, actually. The brand is called Redone, and they're made in the US, and I'm pretty sure they use denim from Levi's, and they rework them into more modern fits. I'm pretty sure that's what they do. That's what they used to do, at least. These are my favorite pair of jeans right now. They're super thick. They have this really cool button fly, and they're actually really comfortable, even though they're like the real denim, not like the super stretchy ones like these. But I know that these are gonna last me a lot longer than those stretchy ones too, and I do need to get them hemmed, but for now I'm just rolling them up like that. I feel like, if I'm being honest, I did favor these during the move just because when I'm stressed, I like to be comfortable, and I feel like those are more comfortable. Okay, and now I just have these 3 tops left. Oh, actually, I do have a jacket that I'll show you in a second. This is just a really simple cotton t-shirt. I love the color of this, and yeah, it just obviously goes with anything. This is a t-shirt from Ten Tree, this sort of like relaxed boyfriend fit. And then the last piece I have in this capsule is another long sleeve t-shirt. In the cutaway, when I was editing the cutaways before I filmed this one, the stripes were just like moving so much. I forget what that's called, but I feel like if I worked in TV and I did that, I would be fired because it looks so bad, and I don't know if it's doing it, in this camera too. I apologize, but I feel like I don't wear stripes very much on camera because they move so much and it's distracting, but in my everyday life, I would never be able to have a capsule wardrobe without a striped shirt. And then the last piece that I forgot to bring down here from the loft is my big fluffy jacket from Outerknown. I don't think it's available on their site anymore, but I've just worn it so much over these last couple seasons, and it really is just like a blanket. I feel like I'm in a cozy blanket when I wear it, so it was perfect for this move and just wanting to feel cozy. And yeah, that's everything I packed in this little travel capsule wardrobe so that I could have pieces that work together without having to worry about finding my clothes when they were packed away in boxes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that it was a nice distraction for you, and I hope you all are doing well. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Squarespace is an all-in-one platform to build your website and run your business. When you create your website, portfolio, blog, or online store, you'll have access to thousands of designer templates that are completely customizable. The templates are automatically optimized for mobile use, and there's nothing to patch or upgrade ever. You can even easily transfer your third-party domain to Squarespace. So if you'd like to update what you're doing online or start something completely new, go to squarespace.com, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Alli Cherry for your free trial and 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain.